I don't know the meaning of that song. Yeah. So tell us about this song. What does it mean? You say I don't know if I'm pronounced nicely. Otherwise, you can just.
No. According to that song, like I said, that song I mean a lot of things.
Chabino.
In my language, like exactly Shikoshikari Sengoro, because I grew up in the ghetto. I grew up in the ghetto. So in the ghetto we have Shikoshikari Sengoro.
Ngolo, you made
me use like when the time that you have what I can say.
Yeah, so we use like good that
yeah, then you know what I mean.
So I don't know what does it mean? Okay. I don't understand.
You know that thing, that one I just said like I'm a president of a ghetto. That thing we used to what I can say.
So you Ngolo.
Yeah, and the master.
You are master.
Yeah, I'm a master of the ghetto.
And I feel like maybe it's a you know how to sing or master never come close a castle. So say in the program you can see from gay, something like that. People will be like so can you just remove your glasses so that I can see your face? So that